Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this tutorial you will learn how to make these types of kinetic typography in After Effects. Without further ado, let's get started. First create a new composition here. I will take 1920 and 1080 and frame rate 29.97 and duration will be 5 seconds. Okay, now choose the text tool here and type like I will type like kinetic typography free. Okay, you can type anything if you want anything. I choose Poppins bold. You can choose any kind of font you want, like Montserrat or any kind of bold font. I have choice totally your choice. Okay, and okay, totally your choice. And I took the size 150. Okay, now align it. Okay, now click this and choose the ellipse tool. Okay, now press Shift and make a circle. Okay, so okay, now make it align. Okay, all right. Now here go to text path options and here path none to mask one. Okay, here a reverse path will be off. You have to make sure you click it and on. Okay, here you can see the alphabet is like overlapping, so you have to like decrease this. Take time to make it more much perfect. Okay, I think it's okay, or I can decrease a little bit. Yeah. Okay, now make it align. Okay, now press Ctrl and click this anchor point double. Okay, so it will be like center. Okay, now it's fine for me. And here go to like fast margin. Okay, click it and go to totally the ending point and increase it. I will like increasing 200. For me 200 is okay. Now let's see the animation. Okay, it's totally perfect for. Okay, there is nothing else in this composition. Now create like click this composition one. Okay, and press Ctrl D to duplicate. Now click the open this composition 2 here. Okay, same thing, but in this tutorial you will like make the stroke. Okay, and fill will be transparent. Okay, here I have the stroke and I take like 4 pixel stroke is enough for me. So you have to choose your own how much you want. It will depend on you. So it will be like this. Now again create a new composition here. Same settings, don't need to change it. Okay, now click this two composition 1 and composition 2 and make it here. Okay, now here you have to do like here to change the color. For me I will take the red color and here it will be a green. Okay, now click this both composition here and press Ctrl D. Then the both composition will be copied. Then again Ctrl D, again and again. I will like copy it 5 times. Here it's your choice how much you want to copy it to fill the full background. So yeah, and now select this green composition and make it under this composition 1. Okay, here will be one red, one green, one red, one green, one red, one green. In this way, we have to make it. Okay, so it will be easy for us to know what will come after and again. Okay, and now click this composition 2 and press shift and click this 10 number composition 2. Okay, now press L, press S to scale up. Okay, here first composition 1 will be 100. Okay, now composition 2 I will decrease a little bit. Okay, like 75 or 71. Okay, 71 is totally okay for me. It's totally your choice how much you want the gap here. Again I will decrease it. And make it in this way. 50. Again another one. Okay, now have to increase it. Okay, to fill the background. Okay, perfect. Here you can see there is a little bit much more gap here. So what I can do, I can like decrease it a little bit. Like I can increase it. Okay, taste will be like 144 or 145. Yeah, it's okay. 145. In composition 2 also, I will increase it 140. Yeah, the gap is decreased here. So okay, everything is okay. Now let's see the okay first. Select this composition 2 and select this last 10 number composition 2 and press S. Okay, then everything is gone. Now let's see the animation. Okay, but here you can see everything is one side is moving, but I need like you can do it like this this the stroke one will be rotate one side and this transparent one will be rotate one side. So what you can do, go to composition 2 here, select this kinetic this typography and press U. So you will get the keyframe here and select this last keyframe. Here you can see is 200, but what you can do here, press hyphen or minus, it will be like minus 200. Now it will be like in the rotate will be in the other side. Okay, now if I go to composition 3, now you see the difference. So it's totally looking too much okay for me. Okay, Now here I will create another composition and all the settings will be same to same. And here took this composition 3 here. Okay, now create a new null object, and the null object will be like, okay, first of all again create another adjustment layer, and the adjustment layer will be below null object. Okay, and here we'll go to effect and preset, and okay, before going that, like click this composition 3, and I like to change the color, so it's white, so I think I can change a little bit color of it. So I will go to a tint and set it in composition 3, and yeah, it's totally your choice what type of color you want. So for me I will take this light blue. Okay, it's okay. And now again go to adjustment layer 1, and here choose like blue. Okay, here is the glow in the stylist. So the effect is already applied. What we can do, I will decrease the threshold a little bit and glow radius, increase the glow radius a little bit. Now here the dynamic look will be here, and also I will increase the intensity. Okay, for me it's totally fine. Now select these two layer, adjustment layer 1 and composition 3. Okay, and first of all, before doing that, in the composition tree, you just open this transform layer here. Okay, and now select this two layer, adjustment layer 1 and composition 3, and make a pre-composition here. Okay, the pre-composition 1 is done, and now make it parent with null 1. Okay, you can see 1 null 1. Okay, now here click the null 1 and press S to scale. Here in the first frame, make a keyframe here and go to the last frame here and increase it, like how much you want to increase it. For me 190 it will be okay. 190. Okay, now select these two keyframe here. Okay, and go to like keyframe assistant and exponential scale. Okay, now let's see the preview. It's just awesome. So what you can do, you can download this preset from my description here and go to composition 1. You can choose any of it and you can change it, and here go to composition 3 to change the color of it. Easily you can change the color, tint color here. So it's totally on you how much you have to decorate it, and you can also change the layer, and how if you want to increase this, you can also increase it, totally on you. Okay, here last you have to create a background. For that, new solid layer, and I will choose like deep blue. Okay, dark royal blue, and make it in the last. So in this way you can make these types of animation. Is totally awesome. Okay, and you can easily make it, and if you download it in my description here. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make these types of video. Okay, see you in my next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.